Sorry, I did not see you there, Sitting. You went back so soon, and welcome back, folks. Right now, we're doing the exercise number 4 on page number 50. So now, let's see, what do we do? Rewrite the direct speech as the reported speech. Start with the words in the brackets. Okay, so, we're gonna do, 3 sentences only, and maybe 3 other 3 sentences we will put, to the extra part, okay? So, because it is also have the same formation, so you don't, okay, so you can practice practice it by yourself. We can do an extra part, or we not, because, we just form it, lesson about forming, so it is okay. So rewrite this direct speech as the reported speech. Start with the words in the brackets. Okay, so I haven't finished my homework. So that is direct speech. And the words in the brackets include you to say that Mike formatted to Mike says, then blah blah blah. So Mike says what? Do it right now. Okay, we will do it right now. Mike says what? I haven't finished my homework. Why? Says, it is the reporting verb in present tense, so we don't need to form that into past perfect. Okay, so Mike says he, yes, possessive pronouns and also personal, yeah, personal pronouns also change. He hasn't, yeah, don't be tricked, finished his homework. Number 2, what is the sentence? I will see Nick tomorrow. Liam said, okay, so Liam said blah blah blah. But in the direct speech, I'll see Nick tomorrow. I'll see Nick. So Liam said he would see Nick tomorrow. What? You telling me I'm wrong? Why? Yeah, it is. Tomorrow. The time. Okay, so time expressions, we also need to change it. So tomorrow we'll be changing into the following day or the day after. Okay, so maybe the day after, because it has a shorter letter. Letter are less than the following day. I don't want to type it much. I had never met Sarah before. Dave said. Okay, so Dave said I had never met Sarah before. Okay, so we're gonna form it into Dave said I had never met Sarah before. So what will you form? Form it into past perfect. Dave said I had never met. No, it cannot be. Remember one thing I told you previous part? If the tense, we are going to report it back. If it is past perfect, or the words like should, could, would, no, would, could, should, or had better, we keep it. We don't change the tense, okay? So Dave said what? He had never met Sarah before. So he had never met Sarah before. Okay? Easy to tell, easy to learn. So maybe number 4, 5, and 6 you can do it by yourself. Maybe one beautiful day I will tell you the answer. So please keep tuning in. One beautiful day. One sunny day. Okay, so those 3 sentences will be the example for the other 3 sentences in the exercise number 4. So please do it, practice it. Don't let me tell you the answer, then you copy it. Oh no, it is no good. Practice makes perfect, okay? Read the report of the journalist's interview, then match each question and reply 1 to 4 with a sentence in a report. So this is the piece of a report that someone wrote it. Then we have some of these sentences right over here. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So we're gonna match it with the correct part that they reported about the notes given. So now let's read the report. I asked the Prime Minister if I could put a few questions to her. She said that I could. I asked her why she had asked the Finance Minister. She said he had been disloyal. I inquired when she would be appointing his successor. She said she didn't know. I asked whether she had decided who she was going to appoint. She said she hadn't. So that's it. So now we're gonna choose the sentences that they had reported previously. So, when will you be appointing his successor? I don't know. So, maybe. Okay, when will you be appointing his successor? I don't know. So, appointing. So, mark the sentences from 1 to 4. There are 4 sentences. No, 8 sentences. So, okay. I inquired when she would be appointing his successor. She said she didn't know. So that is the sentence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 5 and 6 will be number 1. Okay, 5, 6 will be the number 1. Okay, it's the reporting part number 1. Why did you sack the finance minister? Because he was disloyal. A big ouch for that. I asked her why she had sacked the finance minister. She said he had been disloyal. So, sentences 3 and 4. 3 and 4. I accidentally... Okay, number 2. Next! Can I put a few questions to you? Yes you can. Okay. I asked the Prime Minister if I could put a few questions to her. She said I could. So, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, it is number 3. And of course, the other one, it is for the number 4. And let's check on its form. If it is correct or it's not. Have you decided who you are going to appoint? No, I have not. I asked whether she had decided who she was going to appoint. She said she hadn't. So, we finished it. The exercise number 5 on page number 50. So during the break, I want you to do the exercise number 6. Exercise number 6 like I did in the exercise number 3. Okay. Number 6, you will do the same as I did in exercise number 3. I looked up to the exercise number 1 to find out the examples. And now you look up from the exercise number 6 to the exercise number 5 to give out the conclusion to the formation of the reported speech. And I'm going to tell you the results after this break. So anyway, we'll be right back.